built the DevRel support agent for the hackathon. Uh, so I'm gonna like go um, and test it. We're gonna try like several questions. There is like to give a bit of the intro for the agent. We're gonna show the agent details. It's very simple. Here is the system prompt, and then like I haven't added too much in the bio because it should be very simple, I think, for this agent. Then like a style, so it's not so boring. It can choose like between styles, and then the plugins I'm using. Those are default plugins like SQL and Bootstrap. I use OpenAI, but only for embeddings. Uh, Small and large models are from Anthropic because I feel those are the best with code. Uh, then I also have an option for the image description, which is XAI Grok model, and then the agent can operate on Discord, on the GUI, and like those two plugins are the main plugins. Basically, I fed the documentation using the plugin knowledge, and then also I created the plugin code context, which I can show quickly. Um, so here is my code, character file, and then plugin code context. I chose plugin code context because it can do reindexing of the files. It can delete like all the outdated embeddings, and we don't have cluttered vector database. This is not using our default vector database that we have. This one is using Melville's database, which is quite flexible, and it can create collections on the fly based on the provided code path. Then I have like a simple provider which explains the agent how to perform the code search, what are the most important core functionalities like core application, CLI, Bootstrap, plugin SQL, API client, and server. Nothing too special, basically. And then I have uh, three actions for code search: advanced, basic, and intermediate. Uh, and then based on the user question, the agent will decide the what's the complexity, and then it's gonna pick up the search. Uh, so like I created 5 questions for this agent, and let's test it now. Okay, so this might be a bit slow, but we I, I tried to get the most of the precision while I wasn't able to optimize it to be very quick. might wanna see what's going on. We can see. We can check it out. Check it here. Uh, okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is small mistake. Everything else seems alright. Let's move to the next question. Okay, this was the first round. Okay, we got the pretty decent debugging steps, and also the agent reply with the follow-up questions, which is pretty good. We want like to elaborate always for the user. Let's see what's gonna tell us about the database configuration. Okay, we got it. This is correct. It's also pulled this part of the code which is up to date. Also pretty decent instruction. This one as well, especially in case of supervise. And this one is also very much correct. So pretty decent answer. Let's move to the fourth question. Okay, this question is a bit trickier, and yeah, uh, more providers not require fail. That's a mistake. Uh, Proper character file structure. Uh, these two are mistake and more as well. So this one is not so good response. Let's see. Um, mm, the third one is the only one that's correct. So we got a bit of hallucination on this question. Okay, let's move to the fifth question. This one is even more trickier, so let's see. Okay, seems like we triggered like the most complex code search. Now, because this one is taking us a bit longer, we can see like multiple text large calls. Okay, 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 we got a view of the test utils. This is pretty important as well. Like plugin skill, which is database, and let's see now if we are gonna get our answer from Eddie. Okay, we got it. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. And this one seems like a bit hallucinated, like 4 points. So yeah, this is the agent that I built. It's not perfect. We can see I still have some issues with hallucinations, but for simple questions, it's pretty good. If I need to debug some complex question, then uh, like hallucinations happen in 50-50 like chances. Okay, that's it from me.